Hey, Brew and Feed here. I'm here with our Habanero Mango Rub. Our Habanero Mango Rub has ancho chilies, habanero hot peppers, dried mango, onion, cilantro, spearmint, garlic, cumin, corianders, and cloves. Today I'm going to be making some chicken drums. So let's get started. What you need first is you need a 1/4 cup of olive oil. You need 2 tablespoons of water, and you need 2 tablespoons of our Habanero Mango Rub. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. So 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of Habanero Mango Rub, it's all nice and blended in. I don't know if you can see that. One to 2 tablespoons of this rub will work with 1 pound of meat. I'm using chicken drums. So let's take our oil and water and seasoning blend, and we're just basically making a marinade out of it and pour it over the chicken. And just shake it up. Get your chicken nice and coated. Now that it's all nice and coated, what you're going to do is you're going to put this in the refrigerator, 4 or 5 hours or overnight. A couple hours might do, but I like to do 5 or 6 hours. So while I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. While this is in the refrigerator, I'm here at the campsite in Asheville, North Carolina. I'm going to go down to Asheville and hit up a couple breweries and try to find a beer that will pair well with this, and I'll bring it back. I'll show you how to cook it, prepare it, and serve it. Brew strong and feed well. Alright, I'm back. I ended up going to a bunch of different breweries. I went to High Wire Brewing Company, I went to Twin Leaf Brewing Company, Bramati Brewing Company, walked all around the city, and ended up selecting Catawba Brewing Company's Mole Porter. They serve it in growler or crowlers. I took some to go. You see I got a pour here. It's a very light porter. It's about 4.5% ABV. But it's a mole porter, so it's got a lot of chocolate notes, hints of vanilla, cinnamon, a little bit of spice. So I think it's going to go well and not clash too much with the habanero mango spice mix, which also has its own spiciness and chocolatey and cinnamony. But another beer that was honorable mention was Twin Leaf's MDXXI. It's about 10% ABV. This thing's got chocolate in it, cinnamon. It's got a nice heat to it from the hot peppers that's in it. So this one would have made it, but it's a little late in the day for me to be drinking this. I still may be tempted to crack it open, but I'm going to go with the Mole Porter from Catawba Brewing Company because I think it balances, or it complements the spice blend very well. So let's go throw these chicken drums on the grill. Let's get this party started.
beautiful. Girl, you so special. Girl, you so beautiful. I wanna lie you, lie you, lie you, lie you, lie you. Olólùfẹ́ mi, I wanna lie you, lie you, lie you, lie you, lie you. Olólùfẹ́ mi, baby. Girl, you know you too dry. Girl, you know you just right.
Okay, I'm finally done with the meal. It's all set. I got the habanero mango chicken drums all ready to go. Got some grilled red and yellow bell peppers. Got some potatoes that I grilled, and I microwaved a little bit to soften them up. Probably should have baked them and then grilled them. Got a couple of habaneros to munch on while I'm eating. And the French fries were made and seasoned with a brew pub garlic fry seasoning that we're coming out with soon. But the beer that I'm pairing this with is Catawba's Mole Porter. Excellent beer, very light. It won't interfere with the flavor of this beer. It won't overwhelm my palate. It's about 4.5 to 4.9% ABV. It's got some, I explained it earlier, it's got some chocolate notes. It's got a little bit of a slight hint of peppery flavor. Excellent beer. So good job, Catawba Brewing Company. So I'm going to dig in. So let's see what this tastes like. A little smoky. Oh, it's got some real heat to it. Yeah, this Habanero Mango Rub really has habanero in it. So it's a little smoky sweet with a little bit hot, with a lot of habanero flavor in it. Very good. Everything's good.
When I see you, the way you make me feel, oh, it's so unreal, oh. I'm walking